Hello everyone and welcome back to the Binding of Isaac. Let's go ahead and play another game. I think this time around I'm going to pick Judas. He's got a little bit more damage, the Book of Belial, which is a pretty high damage up, and then only starts with 1 health. Which the 1 health part is difficult, but we can make it work. Where did the key go? Ooh. A golden key at that. Yeah, Bob's Curse. We'll bomb it. Might get lucky. Bomb this side too. And because we got extra bombs in here, we'll bomb some of these guys. That was a waste. Let's see, we'll probably go to the shop if we get enough money. It's kind of hard to turn down opening up the door for free. But if I don't have enough money to buy anything, there's no point. Ooh, okay, well. Let's do the boss. I'll take the magician with us in the boss room.
Magician.
Yeah, whatever. We'll go. It's a little risky to do on the first floor, but it's okay. I don't know what that does. Let me look it up. I legitimately have no idea what it is. Oh shit, okay. I know what it is. It if anyone's ever played the game Portal, it essentially will imitate the portal gun from Portal. I could like place a circle on the ground here and then place it on the other side of the room, and it would let me teleport. It's really good for navigating different floors very, very quickly. I actually really want to open that. That was a bad idea. I should have at the very least saved the Book of Belial charge for it and then did it. Come on, Monstro, just die already. Bunch of Larry Juniors. Battery. I should have waited on that. I should have not taken it so soon. It's okay though. Another key. There's really no point in me blowing these up, by the way. They don't even drop anything, ever. It's just me blowing up stuff to blow it up. Oh my god, I used my only key on that. That was a bad idea. For some reason I thought I had 2 keys. It's an easy room, just kind of annoying to chase these things down. No key still. I think I may have screwed myself out of a item. Wow, okay. I think the secret room's probably over to the left, but we're gonna try and get lucky right here. Nope. It's right here. Huh. Bitch and moan about not having keys, and I walk in and get a skeleton key. And Max's head. Or Cricket's head. That's awesome. Yeah, 1 second. Cool. Okay. Sorry. I really don't like the fact that the ladder is 15 and that's 5, but okay, whatever. And that whole time I like wasted bombs and shit on that. I had the hangman card the whole time. Come on, Judas. I don't remember what Gimpy does either. I'll find out real quick though. It'll only take me like 2 seconds. Not really, it's actually more than that. Gimpy. Oh, okay, yeah. Whenever I get hit, there's a chance of me dropping a soul heart or black heart. So that's kind of cool. I knew it was good. I just couldn't remember what the item did because I haven't played this game in forever. Nope. Don't do that. Oh, I forgot the curse room on the other floor. What does this one do? I never remember the dice rooms either. Interesting. It'll reroll all my actual items I have on right now. I don't think I want to do that. Because while they're not amazing, they're still not bad.
Explosive
Nope.
diarrhea.
That is bullshit. I was nowhere near that. Mom's wig. I think it spawned spiders. I can't remember though. And I'm just bathing in keys. Oh, damn. Get good damage. Dirty. Let me go back to that curse room. It's a little ways back, but I can see if I can get something decent out of it. We don't want to go in the shop, though. Shop is a waste of time. Although this is probably a waste of time as well. Sorry, I'm kind of tired. I don't even know what time it is. It's going on 1 a.m. right now. Well, that's pointless, isn't it? And bomb. Oops. Wait, there's a boss room over there. We don't want to go in there. Boss challenge room, I'm sorry. See, I don't know what those are. Like, all these... They're based on, like, zodiac signs. I have no idea what they do. Okay, no, I do not want that one for sure. Like, turns me into a ram. That's actually cool. We'll take monsters long. Let's see, just spew shit on enemies. You get it really close to use it, but it's really strong. Yeah, we're not going to use explosive diarrhea either. Ooh, I heard a key. Not that I need them, because I'm at 99. Oh my gosh. No, 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 no. Don't do it. We're going to do the boss fight. My spiders kill him. So, do I want to be able to do this and just instant kill stuff? Or do I want to take the book? I think I'm going to take the book. Actually, I did everything on this floor I really want to. Oh, that was bullshit. Why have my spiders not killed that yet? Book of Shadows gives me invincibility. It's actually kind of tempting. Okay. We're good. I'll do the boss now. I have to backtrack. Because then I get the item room item. Oh, come on. Yeah, so there's no way I'm getting it at this point. Which is okay. The magician cards are really strong though. For a boss fight. I guess there's probably push my dashboard on my screen. That way if anyone hops in chat, I can at least talk to them. Luck up. That was an easy room. We're not doing that room for a gray chest. It's just not worth it. Nope, we're good. That's actually probably where the secret room is. That's what I was looking for. What if I can blow this guy up with these? I don't think I can. No, I cannot. And we're gonna go to the next floor. I'll take the magician with me just so I can kill the next boss extremely quick. Bleh. Holy Mantle is so strong. Basically what it does is allows you to take one hit per room without losing a heart. And if you're any good at this game, you normally won't take very much damage. Like here, watch. Never mind. I can't even get hit if I wanted to. Alright, so here's a prime example. Because I was going to wait to do this. I walk in and out of them without taking any damage now. Okay, do not get hit. Hey, what's up? How you doing, Infinite? I like stopped to adjust my microphone and I got hit. But luckily I got a holy mantle, so I didn't take any damage. No, I really don't want that either. Do you play The Binding of Isaac Infinite? Green mode? Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, I used to play this game all the time, and then I stopped playing it. I didn't play Afterbirth at all. So I figured I'd come back and play it. It's kind of game too, like it doesn't matter how long you go without playing it, you come back and you always want to play it. Oops. I skipped the treasure room that floor. I couldn't remember if I was on a bonfire or not. Yeah, greed mode's a lot of fun though. I think the first time I played greed mode, I probably played it for about 4 or 5 hours straight and just kept playing over and over and over again. It's very addicting. Edmund McMillan definitely killed it with this game. Temperance machine. I don't really need temperance. Nope. Good thing for Holy Mantle. Did you play any other games? Wow, that sucked. I should stop taking pills. I don't know why I stepped on that platform. That was like such a dumb idea. I'm lucky it didn't bite me in the ass. The sun. We'll take that with us. And boss time. Got range up, no devil room. See if we can just speed through this. I love Monsters Lung. It's one of my favorite items in the game. It's so strong. So let's just see the floor. Strength card. Oh damn. That's a hard question. Flies? Or a Book of Belial? I think the book is more damage on boss fights, which is where things really matter. Yeah, we're definitely gonna go to Sheol. May as well, you know, try it. I'm sure I can. I mean, I've got plenty of health, plenty of damage. Mama's boy. I didn't take any damage that floor. Come on, my ghastly friend. Don't even care about the keys. The hermit. Where is the boss room? Not worth it at all. I'm honestly not sure where this boss room is. Range up. May as well have got a ton of keys. Wow, I actually took damage. Don't fuck with me, Mega Fatty. Or whatever this boss's name is. I thought it was Mega Fatty, but I don't think it is. What's in the super secret room? Yeah, I don't care about that. Boss fight time.
Strength.
Yeah. And that's it for now. Let's go ahead and see if we unlocked anything today. Judas' tongue. Okay, so I'll take a second before I wrap this video up. not really much of a vlog, but I'll be doing some soon, just to kind of catch everyone up. I plan on doing a lot more gaming videos, uploading a lot more videos to YouTube. I'm gonna try at least do a couple a week. That way, you guys at least see something from me. I don't know how often the vlogs are gonna be, but I'll be doing them. But I think this is probably it for now. Thanks for watching. You guys take it easy.